Okay guys, I'm back. Finally the wiring kit came in. So I just pried loose the speaker cover here in the dash. I didn't use a screwdriver or nothing to pry it off. I just used my fingernails and out it came. I got the two screws out. I'm going to try to take this speaker out if I can. Here it is. Okay, I see where I gotta disconnect it here. It's kind of tough showing you all with one hand and trying to hold the camera with the other. But in case you're wondering what it looks like, there, it's already up in the speaker. And it's this little white tab right here that you have to pull out. So I'm going to yank that out and proceed to get ready to install the new one. See you all then. Okay, I got here is the aftermarket speaker. This is the stock. Put them side by side. It's not much difference in the size of the magnet. Here's a shot of the side view, the internal parts. Then I turn over these Infinity. Oh yeah, you can see the quality. But basically, I think they'll fit right in perfect because there's not that really big of a difference between the two. So, let me take time to try and install them. I'll get back to you all soon.